Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mars News Updates. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates and watch complete video. Photo taken by Perseverance rover. It was a major milestone, the very first powered controlled flight in the extremely thin atmosphere of Mars and in the fate. The first such flight in any world behind Earth. After that, the helicopter successfully performed additional experimental flights of incrementally further distance and greater altitude. And please like, comment and share the video. Thanks for watching.